The ultimate guide. Types of fiberglass mesh walls and facade adhesive. When you're thinking about renovating your home, it's important to choose the right material for your walls. Fiberglass mesh is a great choice for those looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain material. This type of wall is also resistant to moisture and mold, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. On the other hand, fabric and glue can bring a cozy and warm look to your house. This material is great for living rooms or bedrooms where you want to create a pleasant atmosphere. If you decide to go with fiberglass mesh, it's important to remember that proper installation is key to achieving optimal results. It is important to carefully prepare the surface of the walls and follow the manufacturer's instructions. On the other hand, if you opt for fabric and glue, it's important to choose quality materials and follow the installation process carefully. Having the right tools and knowledge is essential for a successful home renovation. Therefore, it is always a good idea to consult a professional supplier who can provide you with the best tips and tricks to achieve great results. Be patient and thorough when renovating your home, and don't forget to enjoy the process of creating a beautiful and cozy environment. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you the best of luck with your home renovation. Be creative and don't be afraid to experiment with different materials and styles. With a professional approach and the right knowledge, you can achieve amazing results. Stay tuned and don't miss the essential tips and tricks for achieving the perfect wall finish. If you are interested in making a step-by-step video and how-to, please leave a message or share us. If you have any questions, we are happy to answer them. Thank you and have a great time.